A part of the whole concept around self-coaching is developing the coaching mindset. That's something that you talk about in your book. This really helps open up everyone for that growth and for that next step. Tell us a little bit about what the coaching mindset is.
Yeah. Well, the coaching mindset is being open, okay? It's being open to understanding yourself. It's having a mindset that, people will say a lot of times, well, I haven't done this, okay? And we always say, in the book, we say, put the yet after this. I haven't done this yet. It's opening yourself to the possibilities that are out there for you, okay? And believing that you can actually get there. But it's having a growth mindset for yourself. People always talk about that in your business. A lot of what we're talking about here is applying things that work in business, but to you personally, okay? So because you really are a brand, you really are a company, but it's the growth mindset is just really unlocking the opportunities and seeking knowledge wherever you can get it to help you get to where you really want to go. We talk about the importance of finding assistant coaches, okay? Once you know what you want to get done, then you know where to get coaching. We're not saying you should never get coaching. We're just saying get focused coaching. If you want to be a great journalist, okay, you go talk to, if you can talk to the best journalists in the world, you're going to get their advice. You're going to get coaching that's going to help you get to where you want to go. But that growth mindset, unlocking every door, turning over every stone to try to figure out how you can be your best possible self.